All right, we're going to take a look at quiz 5-9. Number 4 and 5 were a little bit tricky, and I wasn't able to help those who were asking in class, so I'm here to clarify those questions. This is supposed to be, it's asking you to find the perimeter of triangle FGH, so we know we need this whole perimeter. Our issue is we don't know this length. We have the rest of it's 11. And we have 22, we have 16 plus 3, but we don't know this part. So what you can do, though, we can set up a proportion using this, this, and this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a proportion. I'm going to put 3 over 16, and then x over 11. Then we're going to do our regular cross multiply and divide. So when I cross multiply and divide, I'm going to cross multiply 3 times 11, 16 times x, and then 3 times 11 is 33, right? Equals 16x. This might not turn out a nice number. I didn't check these first. Okay, well, let's just keep going. The last part here, we're going to divide by 16. So in this case, x equals 33 over 16, which is 2.06. I think the final answer, you can round to 2 decimal places is what they're asking. So I'm seeing 2.0625. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to round that to 2.06. And that would be the answer I would type in. Okay, I hope this helps. Feel free to rewind if you need to hear something again, and feel free to ask questions if you have any.